What's the meaning of birthing? Birthing. Birthing.
Birthing. Birthing. The word birthing refers to the act or process of giving birth or bringing forth new life. It is often associated with the physical process of childbirth, in which a baby is delivered from a mother's womb. However, birthing can also be used more broadly to describe any process of creation or emergence, such as the birth of an idea or a new technology. This term emphasizes the transformative power of birth, which can bring about profound changes in individuals, families, and societies. It is a reminder of the remarkable capacity of human beings to create new life and to innovate in countless other ways.